In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Evernote notes. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting with Evernote, this guide will help you seamlessly access your notes, ensuring you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Evernote application on your device. This could be your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Typically, you'll spot the Evernote icon on your home screen or in your Applications folder. Give it a tap or a click, and let's dive right into the process. Once Evernote is up and running, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation hub within Evernote and includes several sections. You'll notice areas labeled as All Notes, Notebooks, Shortcuts, and Tags. Each of these sections serves a different purpose in helping you organize and access your notes efficiently. Don't worry if you're unsure about what these sections do. Exploring them over time will make it clear how they can be beneficial for managing your notes. To find a specific note you're interested in, you'll generally start by selecting the relevant section in the sidebar that aligns with where your note is stored. For instance, if you know the note is part of a specific notebook, you'd click on Notebooks. Similarly, if it's a tagged item or a note you often refer to, you might choose Tags or Shortcuts. Once you've made your selection from the sidebar, you'll see the content of that section displayed in the middle panel. In this middle panel, you'll see a list of notes or notebooks. This is essentially your directory of information within Evernote. Scroll through the list until you find the title of the notebook or note you're aiming to open. A simple click on the note or notebook title here will select it. Now that you've selected your desired note or notebook, its contents will appear in the Note View panel on the right. This is where you can read through, make edits, or just browse your notes at your leisure. The Note View panel gives you the roominess to comfortably go through all the details you have stored. For those who like a bit of multitasking, Evernote offers a helpful feature that can really streamline your workflow. By double-clicking on a note from the list in the middle panel, you can open this note in a new window. This way, you can move between multiple notes and tasks without losing focus on what's currently most important. That's it. You've successfully opened and accessed your notes within Evernote. Equipped with this knowledge, you're ready to explore and manage your notes more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching. See you next time.